Hello, my name is Briscoe-Renaud. I am a holistic counselor and a life coach. Last month, I talked about thoughts and the power we have over our thoughts and how eventually, even though we cannot choose the thoughts that come into our mind, we can choose what we do with them. And we can choose, do we stay with them, do we entertain them, or do we actually decide deep down that these thoughts, if we entertain them, this is actually not going to be good for us, good for our relationship. And so we do have the power to decide to let them go and move on to something else. So this is all down to decision making, and this is what I want to talk about today very briefly. I just would like to announce a workshop that I'm going to be running soon. So some of you may know that I have run throughout the year so far a workshop called Standing Up for Yourself with More Ease, and where we were talking about, what is it? What is happening when you don't stand up for yourself? What are you missing? What is blocking you? And where we talked about what is needed for us to be able to stand up for ourselves. So one of the very, very key ingredients is to learn to make the right decisions for ourselves, because we cannot stand up if we don't know what is really good for us. So this is the theme of a workshop that I'm going to be running soon in October, to be precise on Saturday the 5th of October. It is called My Daily Decisions Shape My Life, and it's all about understanding how you make your decision, how you can make decisions that are really good for you on a daily basis. We're not talking about big decisions, we're talking about small daily decisions, because in reality, no act is neutral. Every act that we do is either serving the purpose of our life and who we are or not. And this is what this workshop is about. So I'll put the link down from this video, and I really encourage you to have a look. It's going to be, I think, really, really interesting. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.